In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly on Google Forms so you can write clearer questions, stronger descriptions, and error-free form text without wasting time second-guessing every sentence. If you've ever wanted your Google Forms to look more polished and professional, this quick guide will help. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your Google form in your browser. This can be a form you're creating from scratch or one you've already started editing. Grammarly works best when you're typing directly into text fields, so the first thing you want to do is get into the exact question or description box where you want help. Now, look up at your browser toolbar and find the Grammarly G icon. This is usually located in the extensions area near the top right corner of your browser. If you don't see it right away, you may need to open your extensions menu and pin Grammarly so it stays visible. Once you find the Grammarly icon, click it to make sure the extension is active. Next, click into a question field or a description field inside your Google form. These are the places where you might type survey questions, instructions, or answer details. After you click into the field, start typing your text normally. Grammarly will begin checking your writing as you go. As you type, keep an eye out for the Grammarly widget. This usually appears as a small floating green or red circle in the bottom right corner of the text box. That widget is your quick signal that Grammarly is analyzing your writing and suggesting improvements. If there are no issues, you may just see a green indicator. If Grammarly finds spelling, grammar, or clarity suggestions, it may show a red or other colored alert. When Grammarly spots a mistake or a better phrasing option, it will underline the word or section it wants to change. You can hover over the underlined words to preview the correction. This is helpful because it lets you review Grammarly's suggestion before making any edits. That way, you stay in control of your final wording and can decide whether the suggestion actually fits your form. If you want to apply a correction, simply click the suggestion in the pop-up. Grammarly will automatically replace the original word or phrase with the corrected version. You can do this one correction at a time until your question or description reads exactly the way you want it to. This is especially useful if you're creating forms for work, school, customer feedback, sign-ups, or internal communication. A clean and error-free Google form makes a much better impression and helps people understand your questions faster. Even small grammar fixes can make your form feel more trustworthy and professional. If you're writing longer descriptions or detailed instructions, Grammarly can also help you simplify awkward wording, fix punctuation, and improve readability. That means you can spend less time editing manually and more time finishing your form. Just type naturally, watch for the suggestions, and accept the ones that improve your writing. One helpful tip is to always review the final wording after Grammarly makes its suggestions. Sometimes a correction is technically correct, but you may want to adjust the tone so it sounds more natural for your audience. For example, a school form may need a slightly different tone than a business intake form or a customer survey. Another good practice is to use Grammarly as a second set of eyes, not as a replacement for your own judgment. It's great for catching errors quickly, but you should still read through the final result to make sure every question is clear, concise, and easy to understand. And that's how to use Grammarly on Google Forms. Open your form, click the Grammarly icon, type into a question or description field, review the underlined suggestions, and click the corrections you want to apply. It's a simple way to improve your forms in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more software tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.